Hi guys, welcome to the short video about where we can find the NordVPN CyberSec or the threat protection. Yeah, they have introduced the CyberSec I think a couple of years ago. Then they renamed it and then they called it threat protection. And it was always in a different location. The CyberSec, as far as I can remember, was here somewhere in the right top. Then we had the threat protection, which we found here, but it's not here anymore. Even when we go to one of their latest videos, I mean, here we are on YouTube, you can see that's their official channel here, NordVPN, and that's from March from this year. And when we look into this video, I mean, unfortunately I can't play you this video, but here we are in the overview and they are showing that they are going into the settings, normal settings, and within the settings or preferences we can see this threat protection, normal preferences, threat protection. And when we go into that and see here, it's called settings, it's not called preferences anymore, and we can't find any threat protection anymore, definitely. I mean, you can see when we hold this here from the video and the current version side by side, you can see I'm definitely in the right menu here, but it looks like they have removed a couple of these things, and one of them is the threat protection. So the question is then now, where can we find it? Actually, it's easier to find, but not directly here on the right top, but they have added some different menus here on the left side, and we can find it here. Here's the threat protection, and you can see we can turn it on or turn it off here directly. So we turn it on again and we continue. Sometimes it's giving a warning and saying, yeah, we're using a different antivirus, and yeah, I mean, this NordVPN is not a full antivirus, so I need to run something else, and so I think it should be okay. Again, at the moment it's running. So what I highly recommend is, after doing this, after activating this, is to check on your normal virus settings or antivirus settings on your computer. So we hit the Windows key and type virus, and so we get to the virus protection, so we can check if everything is still okay. And it says, yeah, AVG is activated for virus protection here. This is what I actually want, because it has also some ransomware protection, which the normal Windows Defender doesn't have. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions or other suggestions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.